The People's Democratic Party don score one against Mr. Peter Obi as they don come outside the yarn dey give the general public say Mr. Peter Obi suppose dey ashamed of Labour Party their performance for inside Abia State. And my correct people, you know say many people for inside we country Nigeria know Peter Obi as person wey dey like preach about good governance, but now the People's Democratic Party don come outside the yarn say if the kind thing wey dey happen for Abia State na wetin Peter Obi wan me do for we country Nigeria, say this our country if we don finish kpatakpata. I still bring another information for you my correct people, and this one na about the crisis for inside Rivers State. As I'm talking to you right now, the INC don come outside the yarn give our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu say e go better say make this man act now to avoid violence for inside Rivers State. Now you see this man wey be our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he don dey silent over plenty matter wey dey sup for inside we country Nigeria, but I no go like make you miss the warning wey ISC sama give our president sake of the crisis wey dey happen for inside Rivers State. My correct people, sharparly make I give you the details of this information of this headline wey I just sama you so. The koko be say the vice chairman of the People's Democratic Party for inside Abia State, the man name na Abraham Ama, he don dey express in deep concern over the situations wey dey happen for inside the state, and he come dey describe am as shame. Oga Abraham now dey criticize the Labour Party-led government their action, particularly as they dey handle public servants and infrastructure projects. He said the Labour Party presidential candidate for inside the 2023 election will be Mr. Peter Obi. The man suppose dey ashamed of the recent development for inside the state. Now we know very well say Peter Obi na man wey be say in dey like advice our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu on things and things to do about the government and how he go take do for inside we country Nigeria wey go make country people dem happy. Now e no go make sense wey be say him own party governor dey do well for inside Abia State, but he dey go advise president on how he go take rule Nigeria. And that one mean say Mr. Peter of the Labour Party, he never remove the hood wey dey in eye, but he dey go remove the sand wey dey another person eye. Now make I yarn you legit my correct people. You know say e get one report wey enter tori people their table, and na about one circular wey dey signed by the state head of service wey be Joy Maduka. And this report dey yarn say based on the ongoing reorganization for inside Abia State Public Service and in line with the provision of the Abia State Public Service Rules wey carry number 02801 and 02803, in the right to inform His Excellency say the executive governor of Abia State don direct the disengagement of all staff wey dey employed into the Abia State Public Service from January 2023 till date. Now the vice chairman of the People's Democratic Party for inside Abia State wey be Oga Abraham, he don come outside the yarn dey give the general public say he dey very much ashamed of wetin dey happen for inside Abia State. And if that kind of levels na wetin Mr. Peter Obi be dey promise we country Nigeria when he dey run for presidency, that means our country Nigeria for don finish. No be small wahala my correct people. Oga Abraham now he come dey yarn about the inadequate support for education, healthcare, energy and security sectors, of all which we be say this dey very much critical for improving country people their welfare. And you know say Oga Peter Obi na somebody wey be say in dey like to talk about the welfare of country people. Meanwhile Abia State now the things and things wey dey happen for there is not making sense. Oga Abraham wey be the PDP chairman come still dey yarn say this na government wey be say dem come on board and dem come suspend all permanent secretaries. Dem suspend everybody. 1 year later now dem come sack them without any public inquiry or anything, without giving anything to the public, without letting the public know on why they sack them. So what's the need now? Tomorrow now the Labour Party go dey look for supporters, they go dey look for voters. These 15,000 workers now wey don lost their job, why they go like to go vote for Labour Party again? Even if Peter Obi now say he wan contest for presidency, why these 15,000 when they remember wetin happen to them for inside their own state, why e be say they go vote for Labour Party? And this na why the PDP chairman dey yarn say Peter Obi suppose dey ashamed of wetin dey happen because e dey very much embarrassing. And he come dey yarn say he dey very much ashamed of wetin dey happen for inside Abia State, because if Abia State na sample of the kind government people dey expect from Peter Obi, people dey expect say Peter Obi go bring come with country Nigeria, then the government na total failure, because the government dey never create job opportunities. The government never do anything to support and improve businesses and the standard of living of the people. They never improve education sector plus health sector or energy or security, and they never do anything to care for the vulnerable. No be small wahala, my correct people. Now, reacting to this matter, the chairman of the Labour Party for inside Abia State, Nkonde Yanu, say it is very much unnecessary to respond to the claim say Peter Obi go dey very much ashamed of the Labour Party's performance for inside Abia State. He say nothing to react here o, say na only ripe mango tree na dey attract stone, so they no go fit respond to this kind issue because he no be member of the family. Just imagine the response. Unto the next information wey I bring come for you, my correct people. The tori be say the Ijaw National Congress don call on the Presido of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, say make him intervene for the political crisis wey dey happen for inside Rivers State o. The president now, say him bin initiate a peace deal between the governor of Rivers State, wey be Siminalayi Fubara, and him predecessor, wey be Nyesom Wike, based on the crisis for inside the state, and then sign this peace deal on the 18th day of December for inside the year 2023 by Fubara for inside 8-point peace agreement with Wike, wey be the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and this na move to end the political crisis for inside the state. Now, upon say they don sign peace agreement, the crisis say dey occur for inside the state, and solution e dey very very far. Stakeholders now don continue to dey disagree on many issues, including local government chairmen their tenure. Now, speaking with tori people on Saturday, the National Publicity Secretary of the Ijaw National Congress, Nkonde Yanu, say urgent need dey for Bola Ahmed Tinubu to address the situation to prevent the rise of militants for inside the area, because those people now wey dey give out guns during this crisis, no be to give out the guns be the wahala, na to collect am back after the crisis. So therefore, there is need for caution in this regard, and the president now no suppose dey look make things dey go wrong for inside Rivers State as the thing be so. And the INC consider Yano say the other thing wey dey worry them na the local government chairmen. Say normally e dey for inside constitution, say the tenure of local government chairmen na 3 years, but a situation wey be say some people now dey come dey put themselves, dey talk say they dey adjust tenure and they dey add extension. E no make sense. E dey constitutionally wrong. Then the INC come dey yarn say make they dey try to dey follow the constitutional provisions, even as e dey express dismay over any attempt to unlawfully adjust tenure periods. So this, my correct people, na the information wey I see make I pass give all of una. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV, and now we dey bring ogbonge and legitimate news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our country Nigeria. So if you go like to dey receive news like that, make you subscribe to this channel and make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey come with the news, we dey get the update sharp. I dey come with another informate for you, my correct people. No go anywhere.